Hey everyone, I am Brajesh Kumar of class 11th of Aakash Institute Bareilly. I have opted for engineering course. Due to the second wave of pandemic, we are unable to attend offline classes. So Aakash Institute gave us a virtual platform that is Microsoft Teams, by which we are able to attend our online classes regularly. Also, teachers here are very supportive, and by the help of doubt sessions by the teachers in every week, we are able to clarify our doubts. And also, the daily practice paper uploaded on the iTutor help us to revise the topics that were taught in the class. Last but not the least, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.